Do you want to know how you can connect your bank account to Frollo? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can connect your bank account to Frollo. Go ahead and open Frollo on your phone. If you don't have Frollo, you can install it from the Play Store. Go ahead and use your biometrics and secure your account. Then, what you need to do is click on Connect Accounts, which you see on your screen. Now, what you need to do is select your providers. After you select your provider, click Continue. And you can see the confirmed consent period. There are 3 options, either 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. If you want to read what happens if you want to withdraw consent, you can read this below. Go ahead and choose how much time you want to grant it for and click Next. What you need to do is click on these buttons over here. Some of them are account balance and details and transaction details. So if you want to see the full data list, you can click on this and go ahead and click Next. If you want to read these articles, you can click on it and read this and click on I consent. The final step is to click on Connect, and it will redirect you to your provider or your bank account. What you need to do is log into your account now. So go ahead and write down your username, your password, and make sure you have written down the correct password by checking on this eye icon. Click Submit, and after a while, you can connect your bank account or your provider to Frollo. So guys, this is how you connect your bank account to Frollo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.